Hello, we are the Audi team where we will talk a little about the company our team is made of with Tamara Dominguez, Abdiel Rascon, Emmanuel Gamboa, and me, Nayeli Puch. The mission of the mission statement is consistently Audi. The statement shows that there is a unique way of running the business at Audi. In fact, this company has mastered an art that has positioned it at the top in the sector. And vision. Audi vision statement is Audi the premium brand. This statement is a reflection of the ambitions of this corporation, which is to set a standard in the automobile niche. The statement has the following components: number 1, premium brand, and number 2, impacting the globe.
Then we have the Audi values, which are three. Number 1, advance, constantly innovating, driving new ideas and mobility. Number 2, sporty. It has the sportsmanship to constantly advance without settling for second place. And number 3, sophisticated. Every detail is taken care of in the preparation of the cars, looking for maximum satisfaction and comfort. Then there are the policies, which are 5. Number 1, management behavior. Know their responsibility with the protection of the environment. Number 2, compliance. It undertakes to comply with binding energy and environmental obligations and commitments. Number 3, environmental protection. It aims for the less possible environmental impact of pollution in these products. Number 4, working together with stakeholders. They promote an open, clear, and trustworthy dialogue with their collaborators, clients, suppliers, and government entities. And number 5, continual improvement. They have environmental complaints management systems, international recognized standards, and validate by independent certifiers. We continue with analysis of the commercial situation of Audi and Mercedes.
Of Audi Motors. We define innovation, we live responsibility, and we create experience and we shape Audi. Continuous growth, superior financial growth, global image leader, and attractive employer worldwide. The strengths: leading position in China, large product portfolio, brand equity, production and distribution network, and focus on innovation. The weaknesses: losses due to diesel issues, vehicle recalls, other legal problems. The opportunities: electric cars, autonomous driving, digitalization, and partnerships. The threats: competition, regulatory pressures, cost of raw materials, and labor. Current strategies: sustainability aims at improving and increasing technologies and ensuring the circular economy principle. Competition: BMW X1, Land Rover Range Rover Equal, Seat Ateca, Volkswagen, Lexus. Plans and programs. Powertrain coverage. Powertrain coverage include your bicycle's engine and transmission or transfer case, drive axles, and certain hybrid electronics components. The goal coverage encompasses powertrain coverage plus front and rear suspension, climate control, fuel, electrical, and certain additional hybrid electric components. The platinum exclusionary coverage includes all mechanical parts of your vehicle in the event of a mechanical breakdown, unless they are specifically listed as not covered. The implementation: Audi dedicate that an implementation which is ready for a private cloud will be the best option for the future. Building a completely virtualized infrastructure with the ability to add or remove computing capacity of demand. This will solve the immediate issues with the SAP environment and also create a new approach to managing and developing IT services, whereby the IT services department could focus on desiring business outcomes rather than on low-level instructor concerns.
Okay, evaluate and control Audi. Point number 1, evaluate current performance results, review corporate governance, scan and assess the external environment and the internal environment, analyze strategic factor using SWOT, generate and evaluate strategic alternatives, implement strategies, and evaluate and control. Recommendations. Number 1, cost of raw materials and labor. In Germany, all cars are manufactured and decisions are made at the ground level, such as the design of the new vehicles, new regulations, sales targets, etc. Losses due to the diesel issue. Due to change in regulations governing diesel, the company will have to find a way to replace the use of fossil fuels with clean energy. And number 3, computations and regulatory pressures. The above recommendations will help the companies present to not be limited in markets considered traditional in the automobile sector such and the United States and Japan.
Now I'm going to talk about the Mercedes-Benz objectives. These are: think and act like a luxury brand, focus on profitable growth, expand customer base by growing sub-brands, embrace customers and grow recurrent revenues, lead in electric drive and car software, and lower cost base and improve industrial footprint. All of these objectives are based and planned in a long term because they need several time to make the results that the company wants. And the principal phrase that describes all of these objectives is sustainability as guiding principle, driven by a highly qualified and motivated team. The Mercedes-Benz STP are the segment that is luxury automobile segment including sedans and SUVs. The target group are business professional from the higher income group and also are the people that have the money to buy or rent a Mercedes-Benz car. And the positioning is Mercedes-Benz is the best premium car in the world. Now the SWOT of Mercedes-Benz. SWOT means the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities and threats that the company have. First one, the strengths. Mercedes-Benz has a strong brand value and global leader in premium cars. Mercedes is a financially strong company and hence invests huge money in manufacturing and brand building. They also have a strong presence in motorsport under McLaren Mercedes in Formula One, and the cars are manufactured and assembled in over 20 countries across the world. The weaknesses of the company are intense competition means limited market share growth for Mercedes. And being a global car brand, even minute issues are blown out of proportion, which affect the brand adversely. The opportunities of Mercedes are Mercedes can focus on developing hybrid cars and full efficient cars for the future, tapping emerging markets across the world and building a global brand. Fast-growing luxury automobile market and increased income can be an opportunity for Mercedes, and the brand's strong presence can be leveraged to acquire more customers. And finally, the threats are government policies for the automobile sector, economic recession, and pandemics can affect its business across the world. Ever-increasing fuel prices can redefine the way people want to travel and use public transport, and the intense competition from global automobile brands can affect the business. The principal competition for Mercedes are Audi, BMW, Porsche, Jaguar, Ferrari, Aston Martin, and Volvo. The current strategy of the company to make all the objectives is Mercedes-Benz wants to become the leader for electric mobility and vehicle software. To this end, they have defined ambitious product development targets and decided to accelerate the market launch of new technologies. This means that whenever they develop a new vehicle architecture, they will first design the automobile as an all-electric vehicle. The plan is within the framework of this electric-first strategy. They will begin in 2021 to introduce 4 new electric models. This will be based on the electric vehicle architecture, which is designed exclusively for batteries electric drive system. The implementation is the EQS luxury sedan will be the first model on this independent new platform and be launched on the market in 2021. It will be followed by the EQE, the EQS sub, and the EQE sub. In addition, Mercedes-Benz AMG, Mercedes Maybach, and the G-Class will also be electrified. Other models will round out the electric vehicle portfolio beginning in 2025.
Evaluate and control. Mercedes-Benz has revealed that its latest electronic model, the EQA, was well received. The company has received dozens of orders, which sound pretty good. The manufacturer says that the EQA achieved a high level of reception of orders and inquiries from customers. The recommendations we have are: number 1, the Mercedes-Benz company should in place a plan to start developing more environmentally friendly engines and improve their autonomy, as it has become an important point for customers in recent years. Number 2, being a global car brand, even the smallest problems are exaggerated, negatively affecting the brand. The company must further analyze its situation in the face of small problems and implement a plan for a faster and more efficient reaction to such problems. And number 3, Mercedes has a high maintenance cost compared to other players in the same segment. The company must analyze how to reduce maintenance costs so that they are at the level of other competing brands. In this way, you will avoid losing prospects to customers. Audi is a good brand, which still has areas of opportunity to take advantage of the improved and become a premium brand. This is all from us. Thank you for your attention.